get started. In every box, it has, it's printed in the inside of here, how many cubic inches this box is. This one in particular, they come bigger, but this is a basic plastic residential box, comes 18 cubic inches. That's how big or how many wires can go in there. That's how they base it on. So, and I'll show you. Here we go. Now, let's just say this is a 14-2. That's that white wire. That's the one that that goes on your 15 amp breaker. Okay. You've got a black, a white, and a ground in each one. Okay. Let's say that's 12-2. That's a little heavier gauge. That goes in your kitchen for a 20 amp circuit. Okay. And each one of these wires, it's got a black, a white, and a ground. Now, for the 14-2, number 14 gauge wire, each wire is rated at 2 cubic inches, okay? The black wire is 2, the white wire is 2. We'll talk about the grounds here in a second. Okay, now the 12-2, they're a little bigger, so they're going to take up more volume, right? So they're 2¼ inches apiece. 2¼ 2¼ Not talking about the grounds yet. We're going to call this one a 14-3. It's got a black, a red, a white, and a ground. 2, 4, 6. Okay? With the grounds, they all count as one, regardless of how many there are in there. They all tie together. They're not current carrying conductors. So that's why they're only counted as one. That's just how they do it. So we've got 2, 4, because they're 2 cubic inches, 2¼ 6, 8½, 10, 12, 14½, plus the grounds, 15½, okay? A switch or plug is a 2. That's 17½. So we're right underneath it. It's as simple as that for wire fill. I have a, I have a 3-gang switch box. They're all printed inside there. You have to know what the cubic inches are, or your volume of your box. So they come printed on there. It's as simple as this. There's other applications. If you've got steel boxes, how shallow they are, inside, outside, there's all kinds of different applications. But this is it, the quick and dirty of wire fill. And it's as simple as that. For me, it's a matter of when I wire one of these boxes, I only put 2 in. I try to only put 2 hits. I don't even want to put 3 in there. It's a matter of what a pain in the ass it is. You have 6 inches of wire out here, then you got the plug or the switch. You got to fold the wire and then stuff it in there. Well, let's say the volume's good enough in the box to have 4 Romexes in here. Including that, you got 4 wires out here, then you got to cram them all in, stuff them in, and the chances of them maybe touching one of the terminals on the side of the plug, it's a pain in the ass. Especially, you don't even want to terminate those wires and wire nut them down, stuff like that. There's too much in there. So, plus the whole idea is so it doesn't get hot. That's why they tell you how many wires can go in a box to prevent from it getting overheated and catching on fire. That's it, as simple as that.